What's up, man?
Your girl's so fine, but her breath is like.
This is the neighborhood, and you are not welcome.
That's why I need to be here.
Big black nigga balls.